y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ashley, and if this is your first time here, make sure you do not forget to hit that subscribe button. If this is not your first time here and you're coming back to the channel, welcome back, family. So today I am going to be putting together this 10-tier dust-proof shoe rack that holds up to 45 pairs of shoes. So let's put this thing together and see how it turns out. Stay with me, y'all. Y'all, these nails will just not let me be great. For real. And this one bent up. Oh, they tripping. You better go in here too. We're making progress. Progress. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves in. All right, y'all. Here goes. 10 tiers, all put together. This is the shoe rack. And I am excited about it. I am certainly excited about this. It's going to hold lots of shoes, and I am one happy girl. Yep. Oh, I guess I'll get a little closer. You guys can kind of see how edges of it. You guys see the darkness. Seems like it's gonna be pretty sturdy to hold, a decent amount of shoes. I think it'll be